New York X Air Jordan 5 Racer Blue stands as a bold sneaker collaboration merging New York streetwear with Jordan brand's iconic legacy. Officially releasing on August 30, 2025, through SNKRS and select neighborhood retailers, the pair first gained attention with teasers like toddler sizing, a Paris Fashion Week showcase, and a campaign featuring Atsuki Baby. Dressed in black with a wake striking racer blue, its highlight is the A logo embedded in the netting, an extremely rare design approval from Jordan brand. This creative breakthrough underscores both the exclusivity and prestige of pushing design limits under Michael Jordan's heritage. While the pink version remains unreleased, the black and blue edition receives a global launch, securing its value as a collector's item. Ultimately, the sneaker represents more than footwear. It symbolizes cultural homage, innovation, and the blending of NYC energy with a timeless basketball legacy.